Colorado Trail is a hiking trail that bikes are allowed on.
So the first day was pretty straightforward. We had to ride from the hotel to the trailhead, hopped on that Waterton Canyon trail and started riding. Guys, how we doing there? Hi. All right, well, we're on the Waterton Canyon, right, Nick? Any updates for the fans?
I've had 2 massive downloads in the span of an hour and a half.
2 massive downloads, okay.
It's hard.
We just saw our first wildlife.
Yeah.
Some bighorn sheep.
Nice.
Mountain goats, whatever those were. Weather's beautiful. Oh no. I'm gonna GoPro it too so everybody sees you guys walking.
Burn up those blocks, man. Use them.
This is easy. Barely even pedaling. Hello again.
If it's not the top, it's like pretty dang close.
What are you gonna do, Nick?
Pop another bar.
All right. Where are we?
At, what do you get, like the Platte River or something?
Yeah.
South Platte River. Says right there.
It's kind of dry up here, though.
Sure is dry.
I'm a little worried about my.
Right as I was running out of water, made it at this fire station and ate our first burrito and resupplied, and I was feeling good again. We didn't become dehydrated in the desert. Had water, had a burrito, it was all good. So we left the fire station, and minutes after leaving, kind of looked back, and Jake was kind of lagging behind, but it was no big deal. He was probably just riding slow, so kept going. Looked back, he's way behind us again, and I kind of turned to Zach. I'm like, I think something's going on with Jake. And so we stopped and said, hey Jake, are you all right? And he was very much not all right. He was absolutely dying, and he just took a nap right there in the middle of the trail for probably half an hour. To me, that was a great way to start the trip. Not that I like seeing Jake suffering, but I was glad it wasn't me.
So somewhere, I don't know, maybe around 5 p.m. on the first day, we were coming up to Wellington Lake, and Nick said something like, I think we've made it pretty far. Why don't we start looking for a place to camp? And I knew that we wanted to keep these days as reasonable as possible. But at the same time, my mind is telling me, hey, come on, we can do a little bit more. But then I had to fight that and say, no, this is day one. Let's not overdo it on day one. Let's take it easy. Let's make sure, remember, the goal is to finish. Detour number one.
What's that?
Detour number one.
Yep.
As we're doing this, I'm looking up and I'm seeing that the clouds have gotten quite ominous, and there is a storm that's coming. So we rode as quickly as we could to where the dispersed camping areas were. We got lucky, we found an open one, but as soon as we got there, it just started pouring. What are we doing?
Just eating a burrito.
In a thunderstorm?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
We got a little wet.
raining hard out there.
Hey Jake.
What's going on, Jake? Say hi to the fans. You in there?
What?
Say hi to the fans, Jake.
Get what?
Say hi to the fans.
Oh. Yo. Alright, we're gonna get cold here.